Here I have Xiaomi Redmi 5A and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on that device by using the Xiaomi settings. So at the very beginning, let's find and select the settings. So from the following list, let's scroll down and find and select the additional settings right here. From the additional settings, you have to choose backup and reset. Scroll down and choose factory data reset right here. So now let's read the following information and choose reset phone. So here we've got the attention. The factory data reset will erase all data on your phone, including photos, songs, notes and other personal data. So now you can tap next after the 10 seconds, and to accomplish the whole operation you have to wait another 10 seconds and tap OK. So let me do it. Let me tap OK to format my device, and the device is deleting all personal stuff. The whole process should take a while, so let's just be patient, wait a few seconds and do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent. As you can see, the welcome MIUI screen pops out, so it means that the hard reset operation is done. Now you may start activate your smartphone. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.